So can you, if we went back to our learning target, and it says, I can determine how gravity affects mass and distance. Could you intelligently talk about it? Do you understand the effect? All right, well, we might see. So, talk probe. You're going to be talking about gravity. So look at this scenario. Two friends were talking about gravity. Ben said, gravity needs an atmosphere or air. If there is no air or atmosphere, there will be no gravity. Kelly said, gravity doesn't need an atmosphere or air. If there is no air or atmosphere, there will still be gravity. So, you have to decide on your own which friend you agree with. Then you'll be describing your thinking. You'll explain why you agree with one friend and disagree with the other. So, by how you will do that, you will first make your claim. And you need to state your claim in a complete sentence. So that claim needs to be in a complete sentence. Next, you need to give the evidence. Is that evidence going to be your own personal experience, or is it going to come from an informational source? Well, you have to decide that. All right. Then your reasoning. Did you explain why the evidence supports your claim? You must explain why the evidence supports your claim. So make your claim, give your evidence, and your reasoning behind it. And you're going to do that first on your own. Does anybody not understand the directions? Okay, then go ahead. You can look up here to remember the 3 things you need to make sure you do. The claim, complete sentence. Okay? All right, go ahead. Okay, so go ahead with your group. Share your answer, your reasons with the people around you. Be sure to use vocabulary and concepts we have been learning this year. So go ahead right now with your group and share, please.
Where there is no air.
I said that there's still gravity. Maybe not a lot, but it's still there.
It would be Kelly. Now, gravity pulls the planets, okay, right, around the sun. Remember we talked about that yesterday, how gravity pulls the planets around the sun? And there's no atmosphere or air in outer space. So we were talking about atmosphere and air is what the question asked, and not with gravity. Do you see where your thinking might have gone off just a little bit? Okay. All right, so if you did not get something similar to this down as far as your reasoning, please make sure that you do. Okay, looks like everybody did. So we're actually going to move on. That was just finishing up yesterday's lesson, so we're going to move on to today's lesson now.